At SIG, we design agile innovation journeys that are tailored specifically to our customer needs. We, we design our innovation workshops based on market data and customer objective. Whether you're targeting a consumer moment, a consumption moment, or a demographics, we're here to help. We tailor-made our innovation journey just to be able to capture all your consumer needs. For innovation workshops that are designed in our customer experience hub, we take you through market insights, market dynamics. What are the customer or the consumer that you're targeting? And we tailor-made products just for you. Today, I'm going to showcase some of the products that we have designed within the customer experience hub and we've developed into our technology center. These products showcase a lot of SIG capabilities, whether you want to add pieces and use our Drink Plus technology, whether you want to have viscous products, or the ability to have long shelf life probiotics. These are all today our products here to inspire you on how to further develop your product portfolio. We can work further with you to use these products as an inspiration to design your recipes, take your short shelf life products and give it an extended shelf life, or even a long shelf life up till 9 months. We're here to help. Let me start by showcasing our breakfast drink. This is a very viscous product designed for a breakfast on the go. Imagine giving your consumer a traditional breakfast, a cereal breakfast, but in a very mobile, convenient pack that they can take with them to work or in the car. It's a different consumption moment that you're able to help. A lot of the parents struggle now with guilt of what do I offer to my kids? How can I give them a healthy snack that doesn't have a lot of sugar, that has a lot of benefits? We're offering today a fruit puree with no added sugar, with probiotics that is healthy for your kids. This recipe is designed for the liking of the kids, but also taking into account what parents need to deliver to their younglings. Please, I urge you to try these products. Give it a taste. It will hit all the right marks for kids. Also, who doesn't like or think about probiotics and its digestive health benefits? More than 40% of our consumers know the digestive health benefits of probiotics. Within SIG, we have a very unique offering. We have encapsulated bacteria with our fit-to-purpose filling technology that enable us to fill long shelf life probiotics. So you'll be able to have lower return rate, maximize on your supply chain. You do not need to have a cold chain to deliver the product and have a unique selling proposition that delivers just the right health benefits to your end consumer. Water is known as the healthiest beverage that you can find. But now, water is transitioning and expanding to a functional drink. Now you'll be able to deliver raspberry protein water, which deliver on hydration, deliver on protein drinks, and also on good taste. That's an interesting share of thought that you can give to your consumer. This is specifically targeting athletes or people who are exercising. This is the perfect fit product that you'll be able to deliver. Also, if you look into India, Middle East, and Africa, what is a better demographics than Generation Z? We're a very young population, and within that comes products that they need to experiment, they need exciting products, and they need something different. Please try our mocktails. They will deliver just that for Generation Z. You can mix and match this product with different flavors, with different consumption experience. You can add ice, you can mix and match different flavors together. And that would give Generation Z the exciting consumption experience that they're looking for. On the functional drinks, it can be gender-based and you can give interesting and insightful products that they want. I'm here to show you a combination between products ready to drink beverages and also a functional drink. We're offering green tea with ginger and honey, but it also infused with collagen. so it gives the skin glow. So you can claim both the functional benefit in a very exciting drinking experience. We're mainly targeting middle-aged females. This is a product that we think could have a lot of market opportunity, especially with the gender-based targeting. I hope that I'm able to inspire you on interesting products. Please find our marketing team in the booth or talk to us, email us. We will be happy to talk further about how you can expand your portfolio and also how we can use these inspirational products to enhance and enrich your product portfolio. Thank you so much.